Sa YouTube, basta yan mo. May tabaya naman.
Wala na ako kasi huwag na rin ba matabaya? Sorry, no? Mama ko na lang.
Lahat sila. Alam niya na tumaba siya.
No sapaw, no sapaw.
Are you going?
You going?
Sleep before we go. Where's your plates? There's a biggie.
Plate, halika na. Dito ka na. Wala nang disposable.
Spaghetti.
Ha?
Spaghetti.
Yes, spaghetti. Danupanin naman.
Want spaghetti?
I left you eating here when I came back. Alive, you still eating.
Dito to na You went to sleep, di ba?
So Jess, Kel, Creek House, do you guys want to meet at John's house tomorrow at 7?
7! Sit!
7 o'clock, yes.
Suplada rin marating yan?
Ha?
Please.
If you want early, let's go 6 o'clock.
Just be at John's at
Hindi,
7.
may sakit eh.
May sakit ba yan? Tingnan mo naman ang kilay, oh.
Fine.
Are you guys coming up to me?
Ayan ang mga bisita ko, oh. Mga osi-osi. Ayan ang mga kotse. Pandal, mga tita, pandal. Ulang daw. Danom, can you put naknido na nini? Oy! Sandel.
It's like a new instrument. They play even the voices and all the stuff. And people say, how do you rate their field?
Oy!
Nag-ano kayo, nag-game kayo lahat ng weight. Tayo sila.
I'm not gonna give that to you.
Pero si Tita Vicky.
I'll be at you.
Ano? Nag-game sila lahat ng weight ka.
Ako rin.
Ikaw din?
58 na ako. Dati yan.
I can't believe. Are you serious? I like to take out the boys.
No.
Sleep? Take it back out. No?
Yes. No, Mom.
Yeah, leave it in your...
Oh, leave Sunday. Come back Monday morning.
No, Dad.
Hindi, may bintana ka siya, may nagandang dalas.
Good?
What's that? From where?
Meron doon, meron mango juice doon. Mango juice lang.
Can you not?
Ay, no, si Tita Lenny talaga, na ano lang sa'yo.
Yeah, I mean the atmosphere of this room.
Tita Lenny na lang, ano?
Bakit ano nangyari? I don't like YouTube.
Hinili ko rin YouTube kasi sikat. You water?